This hive was the swarm capture back a couple of months ago, and I put them in here. They got bigger, gave them another super because they were bearding so much. And this morning I didn't see the normal bearding that I usually see out of this colony, so now I'm concerned that somebody flew the coop and are either queenless or doing some swarming kind of weirdness. So all right, immediately I'm concerned because I don't see bees up in the top, even though this is a highly populated swarmy colony, beardy colony. All right, I do see bees in 1, 2, 3, 4 frames. Hopefully, maybe the flow is turned on. I'm using applewood smoke today because I'm making a brisket. But I do want to get a handle on whether or not we still have a queen, and I really hope that we do. Oh, we got some cap brood, which is nice. We've got some festooning. We got a brood frame with cap brood that's, probably going to be hatching shortly. There's Danny. Okay, so we have the queen. We're not any issue. She does not like the bright light. I do see tiny little larvae. Okay, so maybe, oh, she's got an egg coming out her butt. I interrupted her egg laying, so that tells me that she's laying eggs. Okay, we got sheets of brood, and we've got some pollen coming in. So this tells me that, like I saw in the spearmint flowers, there's bees all over spearmint flowers today. We got tons of mimosa. All right, so since I'm in here, I might as well look at all the frames. I don't see queen cells or queen cups being fashioned. I do have honey in the top. I do have tons of larvae. So, all right, so I guess instead of bearding, we got bees foraging, which is better than bearding. Since this is a full frame of better comb, I'm just going to pop that in there where it makes sense. I'm going to put this super back up here for space. It's possible that I'm still going to give these guys a slatted rack, and my fears are abated. All right, bees out.